Are you a content creator searching for the perfect background track? A musician looking for fresh ideas? Or maybe just someone who loves playing with cool new tech? Whatever the case, a music generation tool that creates amazing, royalty-free music in just a few clicks sounds like a dream, right? Well, let me introduce you to TemPolor. Today, I'll show you an incredible AI music generation tool that's easy to use, packed with features, and perfect for everyone, even if you've never created music before. Stick around and don't forget to check the description for links and possible discounts. What is TemPolor? TemPolor is a game changer for music creation. It lets you create high-quality, personalized tracks that match your vision perfectly. The platform is simple, fast, and offers royalty-free music with unlimited lifetime commercial use. No hidden fees. Plus, you can modify and reuse tracks as much as you want. How it works? Using TemPolor is super easy. Sign up. Go to temp.com and create a free account. You can use Google, Apple, X, or Facebook for quick sign-up. Get creative. Once signed in, you'll see a clean interface with a prompt bar and ready-to-use templates. Here's where the magic happens. Upload an audio file, and the AI will create a new track based on it. Upload a video or image, and the AI generates music to match. Or simply type your ideas into the prompt bar to generate music instantly. Let's say I want a calm acoustic guitar track for a relaxing evening. After generating, the AI gives me 2 tracks to choose from, and they sound fantastic. Cool features. One of my favorite features is the image to music generator. You upload an image and TemPolor analyzes it to create matching tracks. For example, I uploaded a serene nature photo and the AI generated soft, calming music that fit perfectly. It also works with videos, and the AI created tracks that match the vibe seamlessly. Imagine how much this could enhance your video creation process. Another tool lets you upload an audio file, and the AI generated 2 new tracks inspired by it. Again, quick and impressive results. Full creative control. Want more control? TemPolor's Expert Mode lets you customize every detail: genre, mood, instruments, BPM, chord progressions, and more. And the results were incredible. Why your love? TemPolor is perfect for content creators, musicians, or anyone exploring new tech. It's easy to use, fun, and removes the hassle of licensing. Plus, it's free to try. You can generate up to 10 songs a day and explore all the features with no strings attached. So why not give it a shot? Click the link in the description. Try TemPolor today and unlock your creativity. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy creating!